that you are going to be confronted with, because these people say the EFF is a populist organization. So populist organization means that you always support what you think is popular with the people. So let me tell you what is popular with the people now as we stand here. The streets of East London are occupied by Amabhokobhoko. Right? We don't have a problem with rugby. We love rugby. But we don't love Amabhokobhoko. Amabhokobhoko, the Boke, Springbok is an apartheid symbol. You can't say remove apartheid symbols and maintain the name Springbok and the emblem Springbok and the colors that were used during apartheid by white people. We support rugby. Marayeya Maburye. Hey, you can't say roads must fall and don't say Springbok must not fall. The Springbok must fall. That national team will get it a new name and the new colors and the new emblem which will represent our democracy. Why are we being forced here? Why are we being forced to salute the emblem that was saluted by Malan, to salute the emblem that was saluted by Botha, by Vervoet, by De Klerk, by murderers who were killing our people? And that jersey represent white supremacists that we don't support. Hey Budali, you know, my political consciousness then escapes me. I'm at the airport when this rugby thing started. Hey, Amabhokobhoko. Hey, can I live Vuyan? Antropelis keep us Amabhokobhoko. Reapare support. Why have one abu this keep? Or not get a conanya mo change wapar. Hey. Badimu bangana. Arle selo jabat. Ay. Comrades, no rapele chon to shiba no stronger together no shushume no au kabolela against it. Hey, you are against the popular view, yet they call you a populist. How can I be a populist and go against a popular view now? I don't support Springbok. I don't support the emblem and the apartheid colors that the national team wears. We want the colors that represent democracy. Rugby, I support. Rugby is not a white man's sport. They found it here. Our people in the Eastern Cape and everywhere else played rugby long before these people played rugby. Political position. Sometimes you doubt yourself, but sometimes you are too radical. Maybe. Trophy. Hey, I beg it's what Frukir. Amabhokobhoko. The whole team. Ya Amabhokobhoko. Ekamo famung ya Johan Rupert. Yes. Kamo famung. The national team. Yes, a day before yesterday or yesterday. Huh? We've never kept counting a day before yesterday because yesterday they were in Durban. A private farm, the whole national team with the cup arrived at the private farm of Johan Rupert. Nakito supporter Lojanache winner. Jabu Johan. What? The whole team. Icho Nwa. Ya. Akitsibika Maroko. Marabagaba barovechi anako. So comrades, Amabhokobhoko is an Afrikaner pride. It's an Afrikaner property. That's why the president of the Afrikaners, Johan Rupert, received Amabhokobhoko. Johan Rupert's farm is treated. Amabhokobhoko goes to Union Building, from Union Building to the mayor, from the mayor to Parliament, from Parliament to Johan Rupert's farm. They are at the same level. That's how the farm of Johan Rupert gets the national team. Not Mamelodi Sundowns of Patrice Motsepe going to Patrice Motsepe's farm. It's none of our business. Marayela Barkiari Naila. All of it on an official diary of rugby tour, Johan Rupert's farm. Parliament, Johan Rupert's farm, same level. And then I must accept that I'm not part of that nonsense. I'm not going to support anything that represents white supremacists, anything that represents apartheid, everything that undermines black people. I will never be part of it. You can be part of your Amabhokobhoko. I will remain le Bafana Bafana until the team of South Africa is brought back into action by the government of the EFF. There is talent. There is talent in South Africa. Our sport is not performing well because it's not funded. I'm not going to be part of Together Forever, Forever what? Kamaka. Le rata ampu pretender. Basa tlo le sotla makgowa ka le rata ampu ba binela le molong ra go nyakeng. I'm not going to dance to that. Comrades, in this country, we are struggling, our people are poor. Train is the cheapest mode of transport. But from November until now, November last year until now, there hasn't been a single long distance train of Shosholo-Zameni. I say a train now in Eastern Cape. There is no longer train to Polokwane. There is no longer train to Durban. They advertise train tickets. You go buy the tickets. When you arrive there, they put you in a bus. Train is even more safer than the bus. That's why some of our people take that option.